Okay, so sorted. Okay, so tonight we say we are looking at simultaneous equation. Everything here is actually under simultaneous equation. Okay, everything here is under simultaneous equation. So you can use elimination method, you can use substitution method, you can use matrix by inversion, you can use Cramer'S rule. So the mother of all of this principle is actually simultaneous equation. Okay, under simultaneous equation, remember you can use substitution method, you can use elimination method. This is what we're taught under algebra. Okay, now, but under matrix, these two falls under, these two falls, okay, these two falls under matrix. These two fall under matrix. These two falls under simultaneous equation. Now, matrix questions, okay, you can use Cramer'S rule to solve matrix question. You can use matrix by inversion to solve matrix question. However, simultaneous equation can be used to substitution method can be used to solve simultaneous equation. Elimination method can be used to solve simultaneous equation. Simultaneous equation itself can be converted into matrix form. And then you can now use either Cramer'S rule or matrix by inversion. So take a look at this question, question 3. This is a simultaneous equation. Normally, you can use either substitution method or elimination method, but this is a simultaneous equation normally. So now the question requires that you should use inverse method. But now I want to first teach you Cramer'S rule before teaching you inverse method. So this is a normal simultaneous equation. So we are now going to convert it into a matrix form before using Cramer'S rule or before using matrix by inversion. So now let's start. We've started already. So we started already. So this is saying solution. So the next thing, so say okay, solution. So I've said we are using Cramer'S rule. So you have to state it there. The method you're using Cramer'S rule. So class, if you're using Cramer'S rule, take note of a few things here. I'm using Cramer'S rule. I need to calm down and ask myself, how many unknown variables do I have? I have A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C. You only have A, B, C in equation 1, A, B, C in equation 2, A, B, C. So we only have 3 unknown, A, B, C. Now, the next thing I'll do, what is the coefficient of A here is 2. So see what I'm going to do. So I'll open the first bracket. The coefficient of A here is 2. I'll write it down. What's the coefficient of A here? It is 4. What's the coefficient of A here? It is 3. I'm done with this part. I started with A. I will come here. What's the coefficient of B here? It is 4. What's the coefficient of B here? It is 5. What's the coefficient of B here? It is 1. This one means 1. I'll come here. I started with A, B, C. The next one is C. What's the coefficient of C here? It is 6. What's the coefficient of C here? It is 6. What's the coefficient of C here? It is not 2. It is -2. Somebody say 2. No, it's -2. So I'm done with this. So this is a matrix of coefficients. All this matrix here only contains the coefficient of the unknown variables, or the coefficient of the constant, or the coefficient of the variables. Now, on this part, I'll bring another matrix here, which is a 1-by-1 matrix, which is 3-by-1 rather matrix. Okay, so I started with A. So this will be A, this will be B, and this will be C. Follow me, you won't regret joining the class. Just let's calm down. So I open another rectangular bracket here for another matrix. What are the constants here? The constant here is what? 18, 24, and 4. Okay, so I'm done. I'm done with this now. Can you see? I'm done with this. So I've been able to reduce this equation 1 to 3 to matrix form. So this is matrix form. This is matrix form, where this is what? This is A, X equals to B. Let me give it to you. Though you don't need to do this in the exam, but let me give it to you since this is class. Where here A here is what? A here is what? matrix of coefficients. Matrix of coefficients of variables. Okay, it is matrix of coefficients of variable, and you can see the dimension of the matrix. The dimension is a what? Is a 3 by 3 dimension. You can see the dimension. You can see. How do you know dimension? This is row 1, row 2, row 3, column 1, column 2, column 3. So this is a 3 by 3 matrix. X is what? Let's go to X. Let's define X. Our X is what? Our X is column of unknown variables. Column of what? Column of unknown variables is column of unknown variables. Okay, it is column of what class? Unknown variables. And you can see what is the dimension of this matrix. What is the dimension? Row 1, row 2, row 3, column 1. So this is 3 by 1 matrix. So you can see it is 3 by 1 matrix. Okay, it's 3 by 1 matrix. So this is a 3 by 3. This is a 3 by 3 matrix. Now let's go to B. Let's go to B. Our B here is what? Is column of what? Column of constants. Column of constant. And you can see also row 1, row 2, row 3, column 1. So this is what is also a 3 by 1 matrix. Now, so I've been able to define it for you to know this. Okay, now let's go there. We want to use Cramer's rule. We want to use Cramer's rule. Remember, we are using Cramer's rule. So for Cramer's rule, oh my God. Okay, now remember that this is what class? This is the coefficient. Okay, class, this is the coefficient of what? Coefficient of A, coefficient of B, coefficient of C. Okay, class, please hold on. Okay, class, thank you for holding on. So, so we've been able to define the column, we defined X, we defined B, we defined A. So we want to use Cramer's rule, remember. So if you want to use Cramer's rule, this is the first step. Okay, to use Cramer's rule, this is the first. Let me give you the steps. Let me give you the steps, and we'll follow the steps. Okay, step one, class. Step 1. Okay, obtain the general determinant. Obtain the general determinant. Okay, the general determinant. Okay, this is A, or determinant can be like this, or it can be determinant of A, anyone. Okay, this is all. Now, number two, obtain the determinant of A. Okay, you know, A, this is our first, this thing is A. Obtain the determinant of A by replacing, please pay close attention, by replacing the column of A, with the column of constants. Okay, so that determinant of A, we are looking at determinants of A, or determinants of A, this A. Now, step 3, you obtain the determinants of B, obtain the determinant of what? Obtain the determinant of B. Okay, obtain the determinant of B. Okay, by replacing the column. You can't hear me. Please, is it the same with everybody? Class, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Okay, so that means if you can't hear me, you can log out and log in again. So that means it's actually from your hand. Okay, okay. Thank you, Ayodeji.
Your screen
So
is
obtain
no
the determinant of B by replacing my screen is no longer what? Okay, so let's move on. Thank you. I've gotten your message. So obtain the determinant of B by replacing the column of B, with the column of constants, So now here, you're looking for determinant of B or this determinant. Okay, number 3, step 4. Step 4, obtain the determinant of C. Obtain the determinant of C. Obtain the determinant of C, that is determinant of C, or determinant of C, or it can be this. Okay, by replacing the column of C, the column of C with the column of what class? Of constant. Step 5. Step 5. Obtain the unknown variables. Obtain the unknown variables. Okay, using the formula below. So if I want to get A, A will be determinant of A over general determinant. Okay, B will be determinant of B over general determinant. And C will be determinant of C over general what class? Determinant. Okay, so this is what you're going to use. Okay, then you now replace the determinant back. So now let's go there. So we're looking for A, B, and C. A, B, and C. So now let's go there. Okay. So first, we are to do what? General determinant. So what's the general determinant? The general determinant is this. So take the determinant of this. Okay. So now let's go there. We are to obtain determinant of A. How do you obtain determinant of A? Take note of this. Okay, determinant of A. So we have 2, 4, 3. If it is determinant, don't make it as a bracket. It's a normal modulo sign. Just this sign, okay, like a bar. 4, 5, 1. Then you also have, okay, we have this 6, 6, 6, 6 minus 2. Then another bar. So this is a sign of determinant. Just like you have it here, okay. Don't put bracket if you're looking for determinant. No, don't do it like this. Okay, it's a modulo for determinant. Okay, so now let's go there. Using Laplace expansion, using Laplace expansion. Okay, using Laplace expansion. Now, class, take note of this. The signs of this determines how you actually go ahead with your determinant. Here, the sign here is plus, minus, plus. Minus, plus, minus. Plus, minus, plus. So the signs are, these are the signs. Okay, these are the signs here. Let me help you with the signs. The signs here, plus, this is plus, minus, plus. plus, minus, plus. The next one will now be what? Minus, plus, minus. The third one will be what? Plus, minus, plus. So class, these are the signs. You need to know this sign by heart. Okay, this is the sign of this is plus, minus, plus. If there's another number here, it will be minus. Since this is plus, the next one will follow minus, plus, minus. Then this is plus, minus, plus. Now I want to take my determinant. If you take your determinant along any row or column, it will be the same answer. You are using what is called Laplace expansion. So anywhere you take your determinant from, you must get answer. So let's do row 1. Let's take it along row 1. So I want to take my determinant along row 1. So let's go there. So this will be, this is 2, okay? This is 2. I'll come, what is the sign behind this 2? It is plus 2. I don't need to put it there because it is, let me put it there so that, because in case you are doing revision, it is plus 2. Okay, then I'll do a sub matrix, which is called our minor. Because this 2 appears on row 1 and also appears on column 1. Therefore, you know, I've already picked these 2. I will now pick a sub-determinant, a sub-matrix, the minor of this particular element. The minor of this particular entry will be that I will have to block, I will block this row. Please hold on. I'll block this row. I'll block this row that this 2 is appearing. I'll block the column. Okay. So what are the number remaining? It is 5, 6, 5, 6, 1 minus 2. 5, 6, 1 minus 2.
1 minus 2.
5, 6, 1 minus 2. Thank you. God bless you. The next one is 4. What is the sign behind 4? It's supposed to be what? Minus. So this will be minus 4. Then do the minor. So this 4 appears on row 1. Okay, you can see it appears on row 1. Take a look at this. Oh, it's on row 1. I block the row 1. Then it's also appearing on column 2. I'll block here. So I'm picking what? Picking 4, 6, 3 minus 2. 4, 6, 3 minus 2. So I'm picking 4, 6, 3 minus 2. I'm done with that. Then I'll do the last one, which is 6. What is the sign? Plus. So this is plus 6. Okay, open it. So I'll block this. Okay, can you see? I'm blocking because this is occurs on row 1. It occurs on column 3. I'll block this too. So I'm picking 4, 5, 3, 1. I'm picking 4, 5, 3, 1. So this is 4, 5, 3, 1. So then go ahead. So this is plus 2. I don't need to continue the plus. This is 2. Then do the determinant. The determinant is 5 times minus 2 is minus 10. Anytime you are doing a determinant, remember, it comes with an original minus. Determinant is actually this times this minus, this is the original minus. So this is 5 times minus 2 is minus 10. Minus 1 times 6 is 6. Minus 4. Then open bracket. 4 times minus 2. 4 times minus 2 is what class? Is minus 8. Minus, original minus. Minus. Okay, 4 times 6 minus 8. Then 3 times 6 is what? 18.
Minus 18.
Then plus 6 into
plus
4
6.
times 1 is 4.
4 minus
minus
15.
3 times
15.
5 is 15. Correct. So this will give us 2 into minus 10 minus 6 is what? Minus 16.
Minus 18.
Minus 16.
Minus 16.
Yes. So then this is minus 4, minus 8, minus this will give us what? Minus 26. Then plus 6 into 4 minus 15. This will give us minus what? 11. So now let's go there and sort it out. 2 times minus 16 is minus 32. Minus 32. Now, class, minus multiplied by minus is plus. 4 times 26. Okay, is 104. This is 104. Plus times minus is what? Is minus. 6 times 11 is 66. So let's sort everything out. So this will be 104 minus 66 minus 32. The answer is 6. So the determinant is 6. So you can see The determinant of what? The general determinant is 6. Now, let's go ahead and do the determinant of what? We want to do the determinant of A. Remember, to do the determinant of, we have obtained general determinant. The next thing is to obtain what? Obtain the determinant of A by replacing the column of A with a column of constant. Please follow me. I said you won't regret joining the class, but I want you to please pay attention. Now, I've obtained general determinant. Let's go ahead and obtain determinant of A. I want to obtain determinant of A. To obtain determinant of A, I will replace, this is the column of A. Remember, this is column of A. 243 is column of A. 451 is column of B. 6 minus 2 is column of C. So if I want to look for the column of A, let me speak pidgin. If I want to get column of A come out, what I will do, basically simple, delete, just delete, come out that column of A, put the column of constant. You don't say this one a constant, column of constant. This one a column of A. You go command the column of A, you go put the column of constant in the position of column of A. So what we are trying to do here is this. The column of A, remove it. So we are going to have what? 18.
So please, can I quickly ask a question?
Please go ahead. 18. Go ahead.
Yeah, the network kept throwing me out. I'm lost too. So I don't know if the network kept bouncing me out from this. So I'm lost. Like really, I'm lost.
Okay, don't worry. We have gone a little bit far. Busayo, what I'm going to suggest is this. I want you to calm down. You will understand the rest of the class. Just follow me step by step. What I have done, what you saw here is exactly what I want to do here now. It's exactly the same thing. But what I'm about to do now is now the determinant of A. Okay, but how do we obtain the determinant of A? We said these are the variables. I mean, we have A, B, C, column of A. I'm being distracted with class.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir. Just to add to what she said, please, I think since you said we get the video of this thing, I think she can still get it from that place, please.
Okay, no problem. Thank you very much.
All right, sir.
Thank you. Yeah, God bless you, sir. Okay, so like I said, this already is a column of A. You replace this column of A with a column of constant. So this is a column of constant 18, 24, 4. Remove this one, delete this column, come out time for there, put 18, 24, 4. The remaining one still remains. So I'll put 18, 24, 4. I will still retain column of B and column of C. So we have 4, 5, and 1. Then we have 6, minus 2. Then I'll go ahead and do determinant. So Busaya, please follow me. So let's go there. I will do 18. I'll pick, I'm doing along row 1. You can do along column 1. You can do along column 2 or row 2. But let's stick to row 1. The sign here is plus, minus, plus. Okay. So this is plus 18. Then do the sub minor. I will block this. Okay. Block this. Remember what we did? Block, because this 18 appears where? On column 1. I mean, column 1 and row 1. I will block these two. So the numbers remaining is what? 5, 6, 1 minus 2. 5, 6, 1 minus 2. I have, this is 5, 6, 1 minus 2. Okay. Then next, minus, I'll pick minus 4. This is minus 4. Okay. Into, okay, block this. You block this. Then you also block this. So we have 24, 6, 4 minus 2. 24, 6, 4 minus 2. 24, 6, 4 minus 2. Then the next one is plus 6. Okay. So I'm going to block this 6. Of course, here I'll block this. Okay, see what I'm doing? I'll block this. Then I'll block this. So the numbers I'm picking are what? 24, 5, 4, 1. 24, 5, 4, 1. 24, 5, okay, 4, 1. So now let's go there. So this is 18, open bracket. 5 times minus 2 minus 10. Immediately you multiply this side. Don't forget to quickly put the minus so that you don't forget. 1 times 6 is 6, close bracket. Then minus 4, open bracket. 24 times minus 2 is minus 48. Immediately, don't forget, put minus. After you do this time, this quickly put your minus because you may forget, especially if this side has minus. Okay, you may forget that. So what I do, 4 times 6 is what? 24. Then plus 6. 24 times 1 is 24. Minus 5 times 4 is 20. Close bracket. Now let's sort it out. This is 18. Minus 10 minus 6. They owe me 10 naira. They owe Young 6 naira. So that means they owe us 16 naira. Then minus 4 into minus 48 minus 24. That should give us what? That should be what? 72, right? Am I correct? That should be minus 72. Okay. Let me quickly confirm that. Okay, correct. Minus 72. Then plus 6. This is plus 6 into 24 minus 20 is 4. So this will give us 18 times minus 16. We have 18 times 16. Please be confirming for me. Oh. Okay. What do you have? 288. So this is minus 288. Minus, see, this is minus. Multiply by this minus, it will give us plus. Then 4 times 72. Okay, 72 times 4 should be 288, if I'm correct. Okay, 288 is correct. 288 is correct. 6 times 4 is 24. So my dear friends, you can see that minus 288 plus 288, they don't cancel, now 0. Answer is what? 24. So the determinant of small a is what, class? The determinant of small a, is what? 24. Now let's go ahead and do determinant of b. Please follow me step by step. So let's do determinant of b. So we do determinant of b. Okay, we'll do determinant of b. So also determinant of b. If I want to look for determinant of b, same thing, class. Same thing. You know I'm looking for determinant of b. What is the column of b here? The column of b is what? 4, 5, 1. This is the column of b, 4, 5, 1. I will delete this column, promote this column where they here. Put 18, 24, 4 to replace the column of constant. This one will stand, this one will still remain, this one will remain, but this one will come out, this one will come in. So you have 2 what? We have 2, 4, 3. We have 2, 4, 3. What's the column of constant? 18, 24, 4. We have 18, 24, 4. Then what is the column? The C is what? 6, 6 minus 2. 6, 6 minus 2. So all of what I'm doing now, you can see, even if you just join the class, you understand because I'm still going to do C again. Now let's go there. Let's do it together. This is determinant of B. Let's go there. So remember the signs. I'm picking along row 1. Okay, I'm picking along row 1. The sign is plus, minus, plus. If you want to pick along this line, it will be minus, plus, minus. If you're picking here, it will be plus, minus, plus. So I don't want to confuse you. So let's stick to row 1. So this is plus 2. Okay, this is 2. Then let's do this sub minor. So I block this. If I block this, I'm also blocking this. Take a look at this. Where these two occur, I block this, I block this. So I have 24, 6, 4, and minus 2. I have 24, 24, 6, 4, and minus 2. Then I'm picking this 18. The next one is 18. What is the sign? Minus. Please don't forget the sign. No, don't forget the sign. I'm hearing somebody's asking me, what if this number was minus 18? What if originally there was minus 18? It should have been minus and minus. This sign would have changed to plus. But because this sign originally is plus, that is why it is minus. Okay. So now let's go there. So I block this. I block this. Then I also block this column where the 18 is appearing. I block this row where the 18 is also occurring. So I'm only having what? 4, 6, 3 minus 2. I'm having 4, 6, 3 minus 2. The next one is what? Plus 6. Plus 6. Okay, plus 6 occurs here. So block this line. Then you also block this line. You block this line, and then you also block. Remember what you are saying? You block this. That is where the 6 is occurring. You also block this. So what I'm having, the 4 numbers I'm having left is what? 4, 24, 3, 2, 3, 4, rather. So this is 4, 24, 3, what? 3, 4. Okay. So let's go there. So this will give us 2, open bracket, 24 times minus 2 is minus 48, minus 4 times 6 is 24. Don't always forget your minus. Minus 18, open bracket, 4 times minus 2 is minus 8. 3, then minus 3 times 6 is 18. Don't forget that minus. So plus, because sometimes there'll be minus here. So if you have forgotten the minus, you will not think that 3 times minus 6 is minus 18. You would have forgotten that there's supposed to be another minus. So then this is 6, open bracket. 4 times 4 is 16, minus 3 times 24. 24 times 3 should be what? 72, if I'm correct. 72. 72. So now let's go there. So this is 2, open bracket. Minus this should give us minus 72. Then minus 18 into what? Minus 8 minus 18 should be minus 26. Then plus 6 into what? 16. 16 minus what? 72 gives what? Minus 56. This is minus 56. So let's go there. 2 times 72 should be, this is 14, 4, sorry, minus 144. Minus that minus is what? Is plus. Let's do 18 times 26. Please be confirming this number. So if you fail it, we fail it together. 468. So this is plus 468. Plus times minus class, it is minus. 56 times 6, please confirm. 56 times 6 is 336. So this is 336. So you now press in your calculator. You press in your calculator, minus 144. You press it exactly the way it is. Minus 144 plus 468 minus 336. If you can get this calculator, please get it. See the way I press it in the calculator? Minus 144 plus 468. Press it like that. Don't ever assume anything. Even me that I'm teaching you, even if I know it, I want to press calculator to be sure. So I press equals to, okay, I press equals to, my answer is what? Minus 12. Please, you can confirm for me. My answer is minus 12. So the determinant of B is minus 12. Now let's go to determinants of C. We also do determinant of C. Okay. Please let me quickly check the chat. I guess some people just dropped message. Let me check. Okay, thank you, Ayodeji. Thank you very much. God bless you. So now, determinant of C. Let's go to determinant of C. Now, same thing for determinant of C. Remember, I want to do determinant of C. This column of C, I will remove it. I will put the column of constant there. Okay, it will now be 2, 4, 3. I have 2, 4, 3, 5, 4, 1. Sorry, 4, 5, 1. Then remember, I'm deleting this column to put this one, 18, 24, 4. 18, 24, 4. So now let's go there and solve for the determinant of C. So this will give me, 2. Remember the plus, the sign is what? Plus, minus, plus. So this is plus 2. Let's do the subdeterminant. So this and this, I will have 5, 24, 1, 4. Should have known this now. 5. This is 5, 24, 1, 4. Next one is minus 4. Minus 4. We are picking, this is blocking this, 4, 24. The more you solve question, the better you become. 3 and 4. The next one is plus 18. Then I'll block this, 4, 5, 3, 1. So this is 4, 5, 3, 1. So now let's go there. Let's sort it out together. So this will be 2 into 5 times 4, 20 minus 1 times 24 is 24. Minus 4, open bracket, 4 times 4, 16, minus, don't forget, minus 3 times 24 should be 72, if I'm correct. Okay, then plus 18, open bracket, 4 times 1, 4, minus 3 times 5, 15. Oh, sorry. 3 times 5 is what? 15. Oh, 3 times 5 is 15. Okay. I'm very sorry, please. 3 times 5 is what? 15. So this will be 2 into 20 minus 4, 24 is minus 4. Minus 4 into 16 minus 72. 16 minus 72, okay, is what? Minus 56. Minus 56 plus 18 into 4 minus 15 is minus 11. So this will give us minus 8. Minus times minus is plus 56 times 4. 56 times 4. 224. So we have 224. 224. Then plus times minus is minus. Then let's do 18. 18 times 11 is 198. Abi? 198, 198. So press in the calculator. Class. Let's say you don't know how to do the calculation, because I said minus and minus is plus. Let's say you don't know how to do it. Press it like this in the calculator. Minus 4 times minus, you can put it like that, the way it is in the calculator. You can say minus 4, open brackets, minus 56, close bracket. Can you see? Equals to, okay, we have, can you see? It is 224. So for you to have 224, it means it is plus. It means it is plus. Let's take a look at this one. I want to do plus 18 times minus 11. Okay, just say 18. You can say plus 18. Okay, times minus 11. Can you see that? See the way I press in the calculator. Let's say I don't know, but please, your calculator cannot lie to you. Press equals to, you can see it is minus. It brings minus. So you cannot write here. You can write here minus 198. If the result brings just number, no minus, means it is plus. So now let's sort it out. Let's say I don't know what this means. I don't know how to calculate it with my head. I can use my calculator. My calculator will give me, I have minus 8 plus 224 minus what? Minus 198. Can you see? Minus 8 plus 224 minus 198. I press my equal sign. My answer is what? 18. So you can see the determinant of C is 18. So that means the determinant of C is what? Is 18. Okay. Any question, please? So the next thing, let's go back to our rules. Okay, remember all this, you don't need to write all these things in the exam, because I'm teaching you, so you know what to do. So we have obtained general determinant, we've obtained determinant of A, we've obtained determinant of B, we've obtained determinant of C. The next thing is to obtain our variables, unknown variables. We have A, B, and C using this. So now let's obtain our unknown variable. Okay, so I'll say therefore, my A is what? Determinant of A over what? General determinant. Let's go there. What is determinant of A? What is determinant of A? Determinant of A is 24. General determinant is what? Is 6. Determinant of A is 24. General determinant of A is 6. So that's 24 over 6. So that is 24 over 6. So we can see A is what class? A is 4. Now let's go there and do B. Also B. B is what? Determinant of B over general determinant. Let's go there. What is determinant of B? Let's go there. Determinant of B. Determinant of B is minus 12. Minus 12. So This is minus 12. Determinant of A is the same. So over 6. So you can see B gives us minus 2. Let's say therefore C is what? Determinant of C over what class? Over general determinant. So C will give us, what's the determinant of C? Let's go there, determinant of C. Determinant of C is what? 18. Determinant of C is 18. So that would be what class? 18 divided by 6. C is what class? 3. So therefore, A, B, C that we are looking for is equals to what? What is A? It is 4. What is B? Minus 2. What is C? It is 3. You have gotten your answer. So we have this: A is equals to 4, B is equals to minus 2, and C is 3. You are done. You are done. Now, oh yeah, let's go there. Let's go there because there is no time to check time. The class is actually recorded. You can go through the videos 1,000,000 times. Now let's use matrix inversion. Okay, inverse method. Yes, inverse method. Let's go there. Inverse method. Then I'll show you how to use calculator to do this thing. Inverse method. Before you start, inverse method. Now I want to use inverse method, class. You know, the question give us, the question is 2A plus 4B plus 6C equals to 18, equation 1. Remember that this is what the question asks us to do. The question says you should use inverse method, but now you have known Cramer'S rule. In case the question changes and say use Cramer'S rule, now you don't know Cramer'S rule. Now you need to know inverse method. So you now have 4. We also have what? This is 4A plus what? 5B plus 6C equals to 24. Then this is 3A plus what? B minus 2C equals to 4. This is equation 2. This is equation 3. So class, I want to quickly show you guys something. Let me show you the steps, okay? To solve, let me give you the step. To solve simultaneous equation, to solve simultaneous equation, okay? The following steps, okay, should be what class? Should be taken. Okay, now let's go there. Step 1. Okay, let me just align to number 1. Obtain the general determinant. Obtain the general determinant. Okay, number 2. Obtain the minor of the matrix. Obtain the minor of the matrix. I'm going to tell you all these things, what they mean. Obtain the minor of the matrix. 3, obtain the cofactor of the matrix. Obtain the cofactor of the matrix. Obtain the cofactor of the matrix. Number 4, obtain the adjoint. Obtain the, this is the step, you cannot fail it, it's possible. Obtain the adjoint of the matrix. Then step 5, you can now obtain the inverse. Obtain the inverse of what? Of the matrix. Using the matrix inverse. You know, want to obtain the inverse. Okay, take note of this. So it will now be the inverse of matrix A, okay, to give us adjoint of matrix A, okay, divided by the determinant of what? Matrix. This is the inverse. Then number 6, this is how to use matrix inverse. But you know that we want to obtain, we want to obtain what? We want to obtain ABC. So you will now use, okay, multiply. So multiply the inverse of what? Multiply the inverse of matrix A. Obtain the inverse of matrix A with what? With what class? obtain the inverse of matrix A with what class? With what? With the matrix of constants. And I'm going to show you what it means. That is, i.e., X will now be A inverse multiplied by B. Yeah, let's go there. All of these things will become pure water to you now. So let's go there. Let's start. Now, the first step is for us to what class? The first step is for us to obtain what? The first step is for us to obtain, very importantly, the first step, pay close attention to this. The first step is for us to obtain general determinant. Remember, we have done general determinant. So I don't want to repeat this again. We have already done general determinant.
Sorry, please,
Yeah,
can you just swipe back for like 5 seconds? I want to just get the last thing that you wrote.
Is it this part?
Yes.
We said multiply the inverse of matrix A with the matrix of constant. That is, X is equal to what? A inverse of B times B. I'm going to prove all these things. I'll show it to us. Okay. Are you good to go? Yeah. Now let's go there. So I said we've already obtained the determinant of matrix A. So there's no point doing this again. We've already obtained the determinant of matrix A. So, okay. But if you are using inverse method straight, you have to obtain it too. So, but this is a class. We've already obtained it because of time. So the first method is what? Okay. Okay, let's recall. Okay, recall. Okay, there's something I want to prove to us. Okay. Okay. So using inverse method. Please mute yourself. Using inverse method. Thank you. Using inverse method. So you are going to do it like this. You're going to do it like this again. So we have 2, 4, 3, 4, 5, 1. We have 6 minus 2. So we have A, B, C equals to 18, 24, and 4. You first of all do it like this, even if you are using the inverse method. So this is A, X equals to B. You know you're using the inverse method. So that's why I said I will prove it to you what I wrote earlier. You know what I'm looking for is X. And if I'm finding X will be B divided by A. Am I correct? Am I correct? So this is essentially what we say by what? This one means 1 over A multiplied by what? B. And in mathematics, this 1 over A means A inverse, okay, multiplied by what? By B. So this, even if you are forgotten at all, everything Esther taught you, you cannot forget this. That if they say a question can come and say, okay, reduce, or they can say express the simultaneous equation in a matrix form AX equals to B. If you see that, they say express in the form AX equals to B. This is what they want you to do. Just put it like this. This is A, this is X equals to B. If I'm looking for X using inverse method, I will say A over B, which is this. X give me this. This is the inverse. Before you can get X, you must first obtain inverse. And to obtain inverse, I've given us the principles. Now let's start. So now let's start. So, okay, so let's go there. So now, let's recall. Okay, we already know the steps. Let's recall. Our general determinant is what? General determinant is 6. We've already done it. The general determinant is 6. The next thing I need to do is to obtain the minor of matrix A. At this point, please pay a close attention. Pay a close attention. Next point, next step. Okay, recall. Okay, general determinant. Recall our general determinant is this. Next step. You don't need to write next step in the exam, but I'm showing it to you. Next step, obtain minor. obtain minor, okay, of A. That obtain minor of A means obtain minor of matrix A. Now, how do we do minor? Please calm down. How do we do minor? The moment you understand minor, once you have gotten minor, class, everything you are good to go. Okay, what is a minor of a matrix? Let me give it to you. What is a minor of a matrix, class? A minor of a matrix, okay, of a matrix. Take note of this. A minor of a matrix. Let's see, we are dealing with matrix A. A minor of a matrix A, which is expressed as A. Take note of this. A I J. This A is the matrix itself. This I is the ith row. This J is the jth row. Take note of that. So expressed in this format is the determinant. Please focus on me. Is the determinant of what, class? Is the determinant of the submatrix. You know, I was mentioning it the other time. I was saying submatrix is the determinant of the submatrix formed. If you follow this statement very well, you see that you get it perfectly. Formed by deleting the what? The ith row and what? And the jth column. The jth column of the matrix. Oh yeah, let's practice it together. Let's practice this. I said, let's practice it together. Now, this is the minor of a matrix. Now let's go there. This is what I want to do. Remember what? So the minor of these two. Please pay attention. Oh, please pay attention. The minor of these two. Remember, if you want to do determinants, if you're doing determinants, you use these two to multiply the determinant of this. You use this 4 to multiply this and this, Abi, ahead, you know determinant. But if you are taking minor, the minor of these two, don't use these two to multiply. So let's start with the minor of 2. The minor of 2, I'll block these two where it occurs. Block these two where the column where it occurs. Okay. I will also block the row it occurs. So the minor of these two is 5, 6, 1 minus 2. 5, 6, 1 minus 2. Let's go there. So I have my 5 what? 5, 6 minus 2. So 5, 6, 1 minus 2. So this is it. Then I'll go again. The minor of 4. This 4, where is it occurring? This 4, where is it? It appears in column, on column what? On column 2. Okay, it appears on column 2, block it. Block it. It appears on row 1, block it. So which number am I picking? I'm picking 4, 6, 3 minus 2. 4, 6, 3 minus 2. 4, 6, 3 minus 2. I'm picking 4, Abi, 4, 6. This is 6 here. 4, 6, 3 minus 2. Now let's go there. The minor of this 6. The minor of this 6. Class, the minor of this 6. I will block this. I'll block the column it appears that it occurred. Then I'll block this. I'll block the row. See, 6 is the row. I'll block it. Sorry, please. I'm going to block it. See, I'll block this and I'll block this. So what am I having? 4, 5, 3, 1. I'm having 4, 5, 3, 1. 4, 5, 3, 1. I'm having 4, 5, 3, 1. Okay, I put it. Now let's go to the next. Let's go to the next one. I'll also do the minor. Take note of that. As I said, this one is very, very simple, but can be tricky. I'm done with the minor of 2. I'm done with the minor of 4. I'm done with the minor of 6. Let's do the minor of 4. If I'm picking the minor of 4, take note, I'm picking the minor of 4. This 4 occurs on row 2. Block it. Okay. Oh, I'll block it. Block it. Okay. If 4 occurs on row 2, block the row 2 totally. This 4 also occurs on column 1. Block it. So I'm picking 4, 6, 4, 6, 1 minus 2. 4, 6, 1 minus 2. I'm picking 4, 6, 1 minus 2. Okay, then I'll go again. I want to pick the minor of 5. The minor of 5. This 5 occurs on what row? On this row. Block it. It occurs on what column? It occurs on what? Column 2. Okay, take a look at this. I'm also going to block what? I'm also going to block the column 2. So I'm picking 2, 6, 2, 6, 3 minus 2. 2, 6, 3 minus 2. I'm picking 2, 6, 2, 6, 3 minus 2. Okay, then I also come and pick the minor of 6. The minor of 6, when they occur, it occurs here. Block it. Okay, the minor of 6, 6 occurs here, block it. Okay, you block it. Okay, then let me use this to block it. Sorry, block it using this. Then it occurs on this column. Sorry, please, let me use my left hand. It occurs on this row. Can you see? It occurs on this row. I will block this row. So the minor here is what? 2, 4, 3, 1. 2, 4, 3, 1. 2, 4, 3, 1. So I have 2, 4, 3, 1. So I'll go again. I'll pick the minor of 3. The minor of 3, it occurs on this column. 3 occurs on this column. Then 3 occurs on this row. So it's 4, 6, 5, 6. 4, 6, 5, 6. 4, 6, 5, 6. 4, 6, 5, 6. So this is 4, 6, 5, 6. So 4, 6, 5, 6. Okay. Now I'll go again to do the minor of 1. The minor of this one occurs on row 1. It occurs on this column. So block this and block this. So this is 2, 6, 4, 6. 2, 6, 4, 6. So this is 2, 6, 4, 6. Okay, 2, 6, 4, 6. Now let's do the column of this. The column of this minus 2. The column of this, it occurs on this column. This column on this row. So I pick 2, 4, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 4, 5, 2, 24, 45. Okay, this is 24, 2, 4, 24, 45, 4, 5. Please always give it space. So don't go and write it. Please don't go and write it like this. So 20, don't go and write it 24, 45. This is not matrix. So this is 24 and 45. Give it space so that they will know. So then you will put your your circular bracket. Okay, this is also your circular bracket. Okay, circular bracket. So now let's go there. Now let's do the determinant. Remember, a minor of a matrix A expressed as Aij is the determinant of the submatrix. So these are the submatrix, which is called minor submatrix. If you now obtain the determinant, it gives you the minor of each. So this is this are the submatrix. Now let's do the determinant. Let's do the determinant of this 5 times minus 2. So let's go there. We'll do 5 times minus 6. Let's go there, small. Let's take it step by step. We do 5 times minus 6. So sorry, 5 times minus is what? Minus 10. So we do this is what? Minus 10. Then 1 times 6 class. So it's 6. So minus 10 minus 6. Close the bracket. Then you come here again. 4 times minus 2 is minus 8 minus 4 times 2 is what? Minus 8. Open bracket. Minus 8 minus 4 times minus 3 times 6 is 18. 18. Close bracket. The third part, open bracket. 4 times 1 is 4 minus 15. So this is 4 minus 15. Next, we'll do this one again. 4 times minus 2 minus 8. Minus 8 minus 6. So 4 times this is what? Minus 8 minus 6. Okay, you know, we did 4 times 2 minus 8, then minus 1 times 6 minus 6. 2 times minus 2, minus 4, minus 18. So this is a minus 4, minus 18, open bracket. Then you have 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2, minus 12. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 what? Minus 12. 2 minus what? 12. Then the next one, 4 times 6. 4 times 6 is 24. 24 minus 30. So this is 24 minus 30. Then this will be 2 times 6. 2 times 6 is 18. 2 times 6 is 18. Sorry. Oh, what am I doing? I'm very sorry, please. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 6 is 12 minus 4 times 6, which is 24. So this is 12 minus 24. Then this is 2 times 5 is 10 minus 16. So this is 10 minus 16. Put your brackets here. Put your brackets here. So this will give us, let's go there step by step. Minus 10 minus 6 minus 16. Minus 8 minus 18. This is minus 26. 4 minus 15 minus 11. Minus 8 minus 6 minus 14. Minus 4 minus 8 minus 22. 2 minus 12. 2 minus 12 is what? Minus 10. 24 minus 30 minus 6. 12 minus 24 minus 12. 10 minus 16 minus 6. So class, this is the minor. Class, this is minor, okay? We just obtained minor of what? This is minor of A. We have obtained the minor of A. Now let's go to the next. The next step is what? Next step is what? Obtain cofactor. Obtain cofactor. Cofactor of what? A. Class, remember, to obtain cofactor is very simple. So what is a cofactor? Let me tell you what's a cofactor. A cofactor expressed as C, okay, since we are using A, expressed as A, okay, A, I, J, okay, is the what class? Okay, is, okay, take note of this class. I wanted to quickly show something here. This is AIJ, fine. Minor, we use M as minor, we use C as what? As cofactor. But my definition is cleared, okay? Okay, which is expressed as AIJ, is a what class? Is a minor with what? Is a minor with a prescribed sign. With a prescribed sign. So take note of this class. Take note of this. So if you want to look at okay, the cofactor of this matrix, so to be I plus J, then put A, I, J, okay, here. So that means this is talking about you're putting, what's it called? You're putting the minor, okay, into consideration. Take note of that. So, or we can say, or simply express that, we can say C, this C is cofactor, representing cofactor, equals to what? Minus 1. Okay, I didn't put this here. Okay, so I plus J, then M, I, J. Now this M is minor, okay? So a cofactor is a minor with the prescribed sign. Now let's go there. Okay, remember, what are the signs there? Remember what I taught you? The signs is plus, minus, plus. Okay, where are you? Remember already, we know that the plus sign is what? Remember the signs? Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So see, so if you want to do minor, if you want to do a cofactor, simply, a cofactor is saying that this is the minor, right? Write it out. The minor is what? Minus 16, minus 16, minus 26, minus 11, minus 14, minus 22, minus 10, minus 6, minus 12, minus 6. This is the minor. You will now multiply it with what? Multiply it with that sign where you don't know already. The sign is plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Okay, this is the sign. So this is what you're now going to do. You now say plus, multiply that times minus, just to give us minus 16. This minus here, multiplied by this minus 26, this will give us 26. This plus here, multiplied by this minus, this will give us minus 11. This minus here, multiplied by this minus here, this will give us 14. Okay, this plus here, okay, multiplied by this, see this sign, where it is this sign, this position, multiply this position, so this is minus 22. Then this minus here, multiplied by this minus 10, will give us plus 10. This plus here, multiplied by this minus here, will give us minus 6. This minus here, multiplied by this minus here, will give us plus 12. This plus here, multiplied by this minus here, will give us minus 6. So this is a cofactor. The next thing you do is what? Is adjoint. Remember the steps? Remember the steps? Where is it? Okay, where are you? Okay, remember the steps. The first one, obtain general determinant, obtain minor, obtain cofactor. The next one is what? Adjoint. Obtain the adjoint. Let me show you how to obtain the adjoint. The adjoint also is very, very simple. Adjoint is very, very simple. Okay. Now, class, what is adjoint? Next step. Next step. Okay. Obtain what? Obtain adjoints of what? Of A. What is adjoint, class? An adjoint of a matrix. Okay. An adjoint of a matrix is the transpose. So I'm using this opportunity to teach you transpose. Is the transpose class of the cofactor of a matrix. Okay, is a transpose of what? Cofactor of what? Class matrix. Is a transpose of cofactor of a matrix. Is a transpose of what? Of the cofactor of a matrix. So if you transpose a cofactor, you get adjoints. So now let's go there. Let's go there. Okay. Let's go there. Sorry, excuse me. Let's go there. So let's transpose this. We want to transpose this now. Okay. So this is the sign of transpose of a matrix. Okay. So transpose of a matrix is what? Transpose of a matrix is what? Adjoint of a matrix. Adjoint of a matrix. Okay. Adjoint of matrix A is what, class? Is the transpose of cofactor of matrix A. Transpose of cofactor of matrix A. Transpose of cofactor of matrix A. So now this is the cofactor. We'll not transpose it. So what is transpose? What is transpose? What is transpose? It's very simple. So what is transpose of a matrix? Okay, a transpose of a what? Of a matrix is what, class? Is changing of rows. Is changing of rows to what? To column or interchanging. Okay, is interchanging. Let me use the word interchanging. Is interchanging of rows to column or interchanging of column to what, class? To rows. So now let me help you guys out. We already know that this is what this is the cofactor. I mean, this is the cofactor. Okay, we know that this is the cofactor. So how do I get adjoint? So adjoint of matrix A will now be, I will change this row. You know, this is row 1, row 2, row 3. I will change this row 1. I will change it to column 1. That is, it's like me bending this thing. Say, what is column? What is transpose? It's like me bending this paper and turning it upside down. Do you understand what I'm saying now? So if I turn this upside down this way, I'm going to have minus 16, 26, 11. So I'm going to have minus 16, 26, 11. Then I'll turn this 14 minus 22. I'll turn it upside down. I'm going to have what? 14. I have a 14 minus 22 and what? 10. I will turn this minus 6, 12 minus, we'll turn it upside down. I will have what? Minus 6, 12 minus 6. So class, this is adjoint of matrix. This is what class? Minus 11. How do you get minus 11? Where's, oh, sorry. Thank you very much. Oh, okay. Minus 16. Oh, God bless you. Thank you very much. I'm following everybody's chart. Thank you very much. So it's minus 16, 26, minus 11, 14, minus 22, 10, minus 16, 10, minus 16, 12, 6, minus 6. So this is the adjoint. Next step. What's the next step? Next step, obtain what? Matrix. Obtain the what? Inverse. Obtain inverse of what? A. And what is the inverse of A? The inverse of A is when you divide the adjoint of matrix A divided by what? The determinant of what? Matrix A. So now let's go there. So this is the adjoint of matrix A. So we have, take note of this, we have minus 16, 26, minus 11, 14, minus 22, 10, minus 6, 12, minus 6. So you now divide it by what? By 6. This is actually inverse of matrix. So my dear friends, I want to tell you something. Many people normally do mistake. They will not start cutting because this one means 16 over 6, 26 over 6, minus 11 over 6, 14 over 6, minus 22 over 6, 10 over 6, minus 6 over 6, 12 over 6, minus 6 over 6. That's what it means. But please don't cut. Just leave it like this. Please don't cut, because if you cut, you start having different decimal number, which may affect your end result. Leave it like this. The next step, what's the next step? What's the next step? Next step. Okay. Obtain.
I say there is a mistake. Sorry, there is a mistake.
Where's the mistake?
Go back to the cofactors. That second row,
Okay.
that minus 22 times minus is plus.
No, we are using minus 22 times plus is minus. Minus 22 times plus is minus, Alaja.
Okay. It's clear.
Thank you, ma'am. So now let's go there. Let's go there. So obtain the what? Obtain the unknown variables. Obtain the what class? The unknown variables. Okay, using x equals to a raised power minus 1, which is the inverse, multiplied by b. So in this case, what are you doing? See what you are doing. In this case, you are multiplying this now. We are now having minus 16, 26, minus 16, 26, minus 11, 14, minus 22, 10, minus 6, 12, minus 6. I hope Abigail is still here. Okay, divided by what? Divided by 6. I'm using it to multiply b. What is our class? What's our b? Go back. What is our b? The constant here, the constant 18, 24, 4. 18, 24, 4. So use it to multiply 18, 24, 4. So the moment you are able to do this, you are good to go. Now, you see now, with this question, you are learning different things together. Now, with this now, you will learn matrix multiplication. With this, you will learn matrix multiplication. Now let's go there. Let's multiply together. Now, how do we multiply this? It will be this times this, plus this times this, plus this times this. Now let's go there. So this will be, so our result will be minus 16 times 18. Let me write it out for you so that you can get it clearly. Minus 16 times 18. So this is a minus 16 times 18. Okay, minus 16 times 18 plus 14 times 24 plus 14 times 24 plus minus 6 times 4. See, I'm writing it out for you. Minus 6 times 4. The next one I will do 26 times 18. 26 times 18 plus minus 22 times 24. Minus 22 times 24. Minus 22 times 24 plus 12 times 4. 12 times 4. Next, I'll do minus 11 times 18. Minus 11 times 18 plus go ahead.
12 times 24. 12 times 24 on the second row.
We're having
12 times 4.
We're having second row. Let me see. 26 times 18.
26 times 24.
26 times 18. 26 times 18 minus 22 times 24. Then 12 times 4 is correct now. It's correct.
Okay.
It's correct. The next one, minus 11 times 18. 10 plus 10 times 24 plus 10 times 24 plus minus 6 times 4 plus minus 6 times 4. So, okay, close the bracket. Okay, divided by 6. So x will be, let's go there. Minus 16 times 18. Please help me out. Minus 16 times 18. Okay, minus 16 times 18. We have what? Minus 288. So this is minus 288 plus 14 times 24. 336. This is minus, plus times minus is minus. 6 times 4 is 24. So let's do the next one. 26 times 18. 26 times 18. 468. Plus, okay, minus times plus is minus. Okay, this is minus, straightforward. This 22 times 24. 22 times 24. 528. Then plus 12 times 4. This is 48. Next, minus 11 times, this is 18 times 11. Minus 198. This is minus 198 plus 240 minus 24. Divided by 6. Don't forget it. X equals to, and let's go there. Minus 8. Okay, let's go there. Minus 288 plus 336 minus 24 gives us 24. So this is 24. Next one, 468 minus 528 plus 48 equals minus 12. Next one, sorry, minus 198 plus 240 minus 24 equals to what? 18. So divided by 6. So x will now be 24 divided by 6, it is 4. Minus 12 divided by 6, it is what class? Minus 2. 18 divided by 6 is 3. So, which is equals to, can I say therefore, your A, B, C is equals to what class? 4 minus 2 minus 3. Okay, so any question? Let's see. Did we get the same answer? Let me see whether we got the same answer what we had before. Okay, class. Okay, we got the same answer. You can see we got the same answer. Okay, we got the same answer. Can you see? So whether you use matrix by inversion or you use matrix Cramer's rule, you will get the same answer. So now you have known Cramer's rule, you have known matrix by inversion. Simultaneous equation is very simple, very, very simple to do. You just quickly do, you just substitute each other. You use one as a, SOF, subject to formula. You substitute in the other equation, then you reduce the 3 equations into 2. Then from there, you solve for the 2 unknown variables. When you're done for the 2 unknown variables, you take the 2 unknown variables, take it back to the equations you had before, you solve for the last unknown variable. And that is all. The last part, I said I want to show you how to use calculator to do this. Okay, how do I use this calculator to do this? Okay, let's go there. I have 2a plus 4b plus 6c equals to 18. 4a plus 5b plus 6c equals to 24. 3a plus b minus 2c equals to 4. Now, I want to use calculator to know what my answer should be, so that if I make a mistake, I will know that I'm wrong. So what do we do? Come to this calculator. Okay, let me press mode 1. Okay, so you press mode. If you press mode, you go to equation mode. Number 5 is equation. Number 5 is equation. You come to your button, you press 5. You come to your button, you press 5. God bless you, Abdulatif. God bless you. So you come to the button, you press 5. How many unknown? Number one option is for 2 unknown, x, y. Number 2 option is for 3 unknown, x, y, z. Number 3 is for quadratic equation. Number 4 is for cubic equation. So I'll go for number 2. You come to number 2, you press number 2. You can see you have question 1, question 2, question 3. It has brought them there. You can see it is highlighted in A. The button, your highlight is on A. The mouse is on A. So what is A? What is A? What's the coefficient of A? 2. You come here, you press 2. You press 2. See, you press 2. Once you press 2, 2 will be here. You now press equals to enter the position of this. Okay, then you come again. It's 4. The next one is 4. Press 4. You press 4. Press equals to 4 is there. The mouse will take you to the next one. Once you have done, the mouse takes you to the next one automatically. The next one is C. C is what? 6. Press 6 equals to 6 has entered. Okay. Okay. Maybe I didn't press the right thing. Okay, let me press 6. Press 6 equals to. Okay. So we have 2, 4, 6. It took me to the next line. So next line is what? 4, 5, 6. So I press 4. 4 equals to 5 equals to 6 equals to. The reason why I'm pressing on the because it's their plus. If it is minus, I must put the minus. So next one is what? 3, 1 minus 2. So 3 press equals to 1 press equals to. Then see it is minus 2. You have to punch it like this. Minus 2. Minus 2 is there. Press equals to. It has entered. You can see equals to minus 2 has entered. Now, there's something I want to show you here. Whatever we did here, there's something we didn't take note of. Okay, we didn't take note of the constant. Now, let me give you something. Let me tell you. Now, so let's do this all over again. Let's do it all over again so that you can see what I'm trying to say here. So here we have 2, 4, 6. So please pay attention. You know, we didn't enter this 18. So let's see. We have 2, 4, 6. So press 2 again. Let's start again. 2. Press equals to, it enters. 4 equals to it enters. 6 equals to it enters. Can you see it take us to the column? It took us what? We have pressed 2, 4, 6. It took us to D. That D is for constant. Enter 18. Enter 18. Press equals to. It comes to the next line where you have A. Then you have what? 2, 4, 5, 6. Press 4 equals to. Okay. 5 equals to. Okay. 6 equals to. Then where you have the D now. Okay. D now. You press 24. 24 equals to. So to take it back here, can you see take it back here? You have what? 3, 1 minus 2. We have 3 equals to. We have 1 equals to. Okay. Then minus 2. Minus 2 equals to. Minus 2 has entered. Then the D. The D is for the constant. The D is for constant. What was the last part? 4. Press 4 equals to. Everything has entered. So after you have entered everything, you press the first equal sign. The first equal sign is for the first variable. Press the first equals to. Okay, x is 4. Let's be writing it down. The first sign, you can see x is 4. That x, you can see it is 4. Press another equal sign again. Press another equal sign. It will give you the next value. You can see y is minus 2. Y is minus 2. Press the next equal sign again. You can see z is 3. Z is 3. So from here, I know that my answer, this is A, is equivalent to A, is equivalent to B, is equivalent to C. So if I'm solving my question, if I'm to solve, I know my A should be 4, my B should be minus 2, and my C should be what? Should be 3. Any question, please? Any question? Okay, in the absence of question, I need to stop the class.